Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a rear shock for Land Rover Range Rover L405 with continuous variable damping with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Then deflate the air spring on that side following the vehicle manufacturer's specifications and remove the rear cargo area trim to access the upper shock mounting nuts. Now disconnect the electrical connection and remove the 3 top nuts from the upper shock mount. The next step is to remove the lower shock mount bolt as well as the shock itself. For the installation of the new Arnott shock, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start the installation process by installing the shock and the lower shock bottom nut and bolt. Then install the 3 top mount nuts and the electrical connection. Now finish the installation by reassembling the rear cargo area trim. Inflate the applicable air spring and reinstall the applicable rear wheel. Then lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock of a Land Rover Range Rover L405 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.